this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove and install the blade on a Wahl trimmer. Okay, there are two Phillips head screws right here. I'm going to remove them. Now as you remove them, you have to hold on to the blade because it is spring loaded under here, under the second blade. So it's going to force it out and it could just fly off. So hold this as you do that. So I'm going to remove the screws now. I can feel the pressure of it coming off, so just carefully remove this. Now the bottom blade is also going to come off with it. There's a plastic piece here. Okay, so just to show you, if this is all disassembled, how you would put it back together again. You have three pieces here. Okay, this is the top blade, this is the blade under it. And they meet each other right here, and so they go on, and this is how it cuts. These two are facing each other like this. Okay, so that's one blade. Here's the second blade. And right here is the mount. So this also comes off. It all comes apart. Okay, so I'm going to install it. So this would go on like so. And you put this on here. Okay, so make sure that this is positioned correctly. So you have to put this on like so. And you have to hold it down because it's being pushed up with the two spring rods that are under it. While you're holding that down, you have to position it like so using two fingers so it doesn't pop off. And then you use the top piece to press it down. See, it has to meet each other, the two blades straight against each other. And now you can put the screws on while holding these down. Now when you do the second screw, make sure it's straight. Both blades have to be straight against each other. So now you can install the second screw. Make sure both screws are tight. So there you go. That is how to remove and install the blade on a Wahl trimmer. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for the channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video and thank you for tuning in.